Now we have example with half adder, and we have given two numbers at the inputs. Okay, I'm going to assume that this is my input A and this is my input B. In order to make this circuit looking a little bit simpler, I'm going to extend the outputs. Okay, so this is going to be my carry out and this is going to be my sum. Okay, so next I'm supposed to just perform the addition because this is adder. So I have 0 plus 1. In other words, I have A plus B. 0 plus 1 is equal 1. So I have 0, 1, where this is my sum and this is my carry out. So I'm going to write that my sum, okay, this is my sum, is equal 1 and carry out is equal 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal 1. And this is the answer to my problem.